Hey there, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll be learning how to sew this kids print blouse, showing the step-by-step process. So watch till the end so you don't miss out on any of the steps. Now to make this dress, this is my material. This is the skirt. This is the front piece of the blouse. And this is the back piece. It is usually in two. To make this dress, I'm going to be ironing canvas stay on the front piece. I'll place my material on the rough side just like this, then pin them together. Then I'll place this on the table, place the material on it, pin it just like this. So this is it after ironing. This is how it looks. This is my lining for the front piece. I'm just going to pin them just like this, then sew the two sides. So I'll do the same for the front piece. This is it now after joining the three front piece. I'll place the lining and sew the top, then sew the sides. So guys, this is how it looks after sewing. So this is the net for the chest of the blouse. Now to sew the net on the back piece, this is how you place it. Remember to take note of the back of your net and the back of your fabric when sewing. After adjusting the net on the fabric, I'll pin it. Then place the lining on it and pin it again. Now sew the top first. So when you remove the pin and open it up, this is how it looks. I'm just going to close it back. Then sew the two sides, leaving out the zip allowance. Now we'll do this for the other back piece. After sewing, turn it to the front. Here is the second back piece. Now I'll mark and trace 1.5 inches for the zip allowance. Now the next thing is to mark the dart line, which is 4.5 inches. Then mark the other side of the back piece, just like this. After marking the dart line, I'll remove the pins. Now to sew the dart, hold it just like this, then sew it straight. So guys, this is the dart line after sewing it. This is how it looks from the front. Now place and mark the midpoint of the front piece just like this. Now I'm going to mark the midpoint of the net and place it on the fabric just like this. Now from the shoulder to the chest line is 8 inches. I'll pin it. Then sew straight. Now remove the pins after sewing. This is how the back looks. I'm going to sew the zip line, place it on the front piece just like this. Now after placing the back piece on it, I'll pin the shoulder, then mark the half length measurement, which is 17 inches. So this is my half length measurement. Then the bust size, which is 11 inches. Now from the shoulder to the under bust line is 15.5 inches. Now on the under bust line, I will mark 9.5 inches. Then I will mark the blouse waist size and trace it like this. So guys, this is how you mark the body size measurement. So after marking, I'm going to pin it just like this. I'll sew the sides and sew the shoulder. So guys, this is the half cut of my blouse. Now this is my peplum, my ankara and my lining. So the peplum is in 3 pieces according to the waist size measurement. I will join the 3 pieces together to get this long size peplum. Now I will place the lining on my ankara fabric and sew it all through. So guys, this is how to sew the peplum. After sewing and ironing, this is what the peplum looks like. It's a 3-piece peplum joined together. Now I'm going to sew the kiss print just like this. I will do this all through the peplum till I get the exact waist size. So guys, this is how to make the kiss prints. It is very easy. After making the kiss prints, this is how it looks. This is my exact waist size measurement. So now I will open up just 1 inch at the zip line. Then place and sew the kiss print all round. This is how it looks now after sewing. When you turn it to the front, this is what you get. Now to attach the sleeve, I will mark the midpoint like this. Then place and sew it on the shoulder. So guys, this is how you place and sew the sleeve. To attach the turtleneck, I will also mark the midpoint of the neck, then sew from the marked point all round. Now this is it after sewing. Now to sew the sleeve, this is a 3/4 sleeve, not a complete long sleeve. The round sleeve is 6. The round sleeve is 7.5. I'll mark and pin it like this. Then I'll do the same for the other sleeve. So I will sew on the dotted line. So the last thing is to attach the zip. I will attach it from the turtleneck. So this is the zip after sewing. Now we are done making this female blouse. If you watched to this point, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.